Hi, my name is Gunther and I'm the co-founder and CEO of CircularTree. We provide solutions to enable companies in getting more responsible supply chains. Today I'm presenting CarbonBlock, a solution which will enable your company to provide carbon neutral products to your customers and become a leading company in fighting climate change. If you look at the issue of CarbonBlock, you will quickly realize that only 20% of the carbon footprint of your products can be influenced directly. 80% of the carbon footprint comes through your supply chain, and you only have indirect control over it, and today there is no good tool available to really influence this carbon footprint. And this is where CarbonBlock kicks in. CarbonBlock is a solution to measure and help you to reduce the carbon footprint of your supply chain. How does it work? In CarbonBlock, every company in your supply chain reports the carbon footprint of its products or materials into the CarbonBlock system. And the next one reads it and adds up their own carbon footprint and writes it back to the CarbonBlock system. This way, you create a true picture about the real carbon footprint of your products. What you can also see is we are connected to numerous databases like an ERP system, like the bill of material, in order to automate all processes. So you don't have to increase manual work and the system is easily scalable. Now let's go to a real life example. In this case, we work together with BASF, a chemical company, Motherson, an automotive supplier, and Porsche, a sports car manufacturer. BASF was providing the granulate along with the carbon footprint information, and Motherson read this carbon footprint information, added up their own carbon footprint it takes to create a bumper, and then writes it back to the CarbonBlock system. And Porsche can read all this information and then has a true picture about the carbon footprint of the supply chain for, in this case, a Taycan. With this solution, you have the first step about creating transparency. But of course, the target is to reduce the carbon footprint. One solution is to go back to your suppliers and tell them to reduce it, and you can constantly measure it. Or you can compare different materials based on the carbon footprint. Or you have a certain materials and you compare different suppliers, just like you do it today already with cost or with quality. In summary, CarbonBlock really provides you the levers to best influence the carbon footprint of your supply chain. You have automated processes for data collection and transfer, so it's easily scalable. It's one standard, one tool for real good and efficient collaboration between suppliers and customers. And since we use a blockchain, data is immutably, and there is a greater accountability for data reliability. We have developed CarbonBlock with experts in sustainability. IFU has 25 years of experience in CarbonBlock calculations. This is how we will develop the CarbonBlock ecosystem. We've just developed our pilot with the 3 companies I've mentioned to you. And if you want to join the ecosystem of leading companies to reduce the carbon footprint, we can do a pilot project together. Just tell us the product and the suppliers for this product, and we will support you in calculating the real product carbon footprint. We look forward to your company joining the CarbonBlock ecosystem. If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact us.